Welcome to the lesson 2 of our graphic design course with Canva. Lesson 1 opened the doorway to the world of Canva, where all possibility lies. In lesson 2, we'll be talking about all the features and tools within Canva. Take a deep guide through it. By now, you must be having your Canva app already running on your mobile phone. If not, go download it on your Play Store or open it on your web so you can get started. And if you are wondering of a free premium account, don't worry, I just joined the Exonic community and you are going to receive a premium account right now. Now you have already activated your premium account. If not, pause the video and go activate it and come back so you can get the betterness of this course. I'm Obed and I'm going to be your guide through this course. Now you have done with activating your premium account. Let's dive into the Canva dashboard. Okay, so welcome to the lesson 2 of our graphic design course with Canva. So in this course, we'll be talking about the features and tools in Canva and how we can apply it in our design. So first, if you are not having your Canva app running on your device, kindly download it or move to Google and search for Canva and log into your account. If you haven't get your premium activated for you, then click on the link below and get your premium activated for a very cheap price rather than paying for any subscription. And if you do it on time, you can even get everything for free without paying anything. We are giving a promo and we are giving free premium accounts to all early members who join our community. So act fast and don't miss this chance. So once you log into your Canva app, this is how the homepage looks like. So let's talk about the features within the homepage and how to navigate through it. So you have our search button. So this is our search button. So at the search button, you can search for anything you want. So from any template that you want, from business to any kind of template. So you have presentation to social media post or business card that you want. You can search for the kind of template you want using the search button. For instance, if you want the template for a haircut flyer, just search for haircut. So you just search for haircut, then you are going to get haircut flyers. So here are examples of a lot of haircut flyers that you can customize and use for your own designs. As you can see, you have a whole lot of haircut flyers that you can customize. Some are premium, so be fast and get the premium. Some too are free. You see, you have a whole lot of templates you can use. So from logos, see, you have some logos to artists. You can just go and customize it and create your own. We will talk about customizing templates later in this course, but for now, let's continue. At the right side of the page, you have create button. So the create button, that's the plus that you can see. It's when you want to start any design. You click on it, then you can start any design. So we get back to it. And we have the home page. The home page is where you were as well. That's the so if you click on the home page, you get to the home button. You get to the home page. So this is the home page, and we have our project. Our project consists of all the recent designs you have done in Canva. If you have done any designs in in Canva and you want to get back to it very quickly, just go to project and you can search for it or navigate through it, and you can find any projects you have done in Canva within projects. Brands is where you find all your kits. So if you are having an enterprise or a brand and you want to have your own customized logo, your colors, fonts, all at your fingertips whilst making your design, then brand is for you. Brand works for only premium users. So be fast and get your premium account. So brand is for you. You can store your logo, your fonts, your colors within brand. So let's go to brand and see how it works. This brand, you can store your logo, color, and other fonts within it. And we also have templates. So in templates are pre-made designs within Canva that you can use to make your design. So we have from business cards to educational posts, social media posts, any kind of post you want, print on demand products. We have templates within Canva. Even you have templates of websites that you can customize and create your own. We also have Canva AI. So this Canva AI. Canva AI is an AI generator built into Canva that you can use to create a design instantly. So when you say, I want to create a design instantly, Canva can create any design for you. Whether you want to create an image, a design, maybe document, even if you want Canva to code for you, Canva can do that for you. So Canva is an all-in-one too. Don't need any app if you are having Canva. And we also have the apps column. The apps column consists of other apps which are integrated into Canva that you can use. So when you go to apps, you see we have AI apps that can help you to generate text to voice or maybe images, voiceovers, and other editing features that you can use in your design world. So no need of getting to Canva then moving to a different app. Everything is within Canva. So this is best to maybe if you are having any career choice. Let's move back to our home page. So when you move back to our home page by clicking on the home button, then we get to our home page. Okay, so out here we have our scroll button. So this is the scroll wheel which we can use to navigate up and down the page. Once it's out here, we can use to navigate up and down the page. Okay, I also have our ask question or the question mark. That's for if you have you want help and you want to search anything within Canva, you go to there and can search for it. Now you have done navigating through Canva, I guess you know all the features within Canva and all the tools that you can use within Canva. So in the next lesson, we are going to talk about the tools that you are going to use to make your actual design in Canva. So stay tuned and let's move to the next lesson and talk about the tools. We talk about a few tools and we describe them and how to use them in your design. Now to move on, we have to start by clicking on the plus button to start a new design. So you click on the plus button and the pop-up menu will appear. So there are a whole lot of frameworks that you can choose from. You can choose on presentation, Instagram posts. There are a whole lot of frameworks. So you select one that you want to use. But in this case, we will not be using any of these fixed templates. We'll be using our own customized templates. Oh, to use your own customized dimension, you have to go to customize, then you click on the button to enter in your own figure. So you click on customize, then it will send you to a different page. Then select the unit you want to use, whether centimeters or inches. I will be using centimeters. Select the unit you want to use. Now you can enter in the size you want to use. Any dimension you want to use for your design, you can enter in. I'll be using 10 by 5 centimeters. I'll enter into it 10 by 5 centimeters. That's what I'll be using. After you are done, then you click on start design and you start right away. So this is how the Canva Studio looks like. So you have all the tools within this place. We are going to talk about the tools and how it works within your design. So first, this is the framework we choose. As you can see, I've selected and has been highlighted in the blue. So this is your framework. I'll say your background that you'll be doing all your design on. can decide to change the color to any color you want. Let me say I don't want the white color, let me change the color. So when you select it, there's a pop-up menu which will appear. So you click on the color palette to change the color. Okay, to open, then you can select the color of your choice that you want to use in your design. So this, you have solid colors that you can choose, and you also have gradient colors. So let me choose this. So then you see how to change it, you just have to click on it again to open, then you change it. Okay, now what about if you want to add more pages to your design? Maybe you are creating multiple page design. So if you want to add more page, you click on the plus button at here to add more pages. You see more pages have been added. So if you want to add more pages, click on the plus button and add more pages. What about if you want to add different kinds of pages? As you know, Canva can be used in creating a whole lot of documents. Maybe this, we want to add a sheet, a page of a sheet, or maybe a website or a presentation page. So this one, let's try to add a sheet. So you just click on sheet, click on the arrow, a pop-up open, click on sheet, and you see you have added a page of sheets to our design. So Canva has a whole lot of things that you can use. The possibilities are endless. What about now? I don't want to add anything. I want to undo what I just did. So at the top of the page, you have an arrow sign. So you click on the undo, or which can also use Ctrl+Z to undo it. So this is a trick. If you want to undo anything in Canva, you just click on Ctrl+Z, then you undo it. So let me clear the pages I added. Okay. So now you are done. Also at the right side you have designs. So designs also consist of templates. At design you can find templates that you can use. So they have a whole lot of templates that will fit our framework or template. Maybe you chose a blank space, you want to apply a template. So if you go to design, you can see a whole lot of template that you can use and styles that you can also use. When you get to templates, we talk more about those things. We also have elements. So what are elements? Elements is the building block of your design. So anything you are going to use, most of the things you are going to use in making your design can be found in elements. So from shapes, lines, frameworks, colors, most of the things you want to use in your design can be found in elements. Lines, a whole lot can be found in elements. We will talk about elements in details and how to use it in your design later in this course. So we have photos, videos, audio, charts, spreadsheets, tables, frame, and mockups. So element contains a whole lot of gallery. There's no need going to download images and graphics from different apps and then bringing them to Canva to use. Everything can be found within Canva. Also, we have our text button out here. This is where the text button are. And if you want to add any text to your design, you go to the text button, and that's how you can add text to your design. And we have our brand kit at here. So this is where all the things you have stored in your brand are located. Your logos and other things are located. And we have upload. So if you want to add anything to your design, whether photos, videos on your device to your Canva and use it in design, you go to uploads and you can find it at here. So you can add it at here and you use. And we also have tools. So tools consist of pens and other shapes that you can use in your design. So when you scroll down, we have projects. So you know project, we have talked about project, we have talked about apps, and we have the magic media. Magic media can be used in creating images, graphics, and videos. So you want to create image, Canva have the magic media is an AI tool we can use for creating images, graphics and video, so it can be used in your design. Let's go enter your prompt and you create your design. So there are a whole lot of tools. You'll be using all of them one by one. For now, these are the tools you'll be getting used to. Okay, so now you know the tools. What is left? How to use them in making your design. So you start first design, trying to learn how to apply these tools you have learned in Canva and how to use them to make a simple design in Canva. Now first,